Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. Another product to talk to you about today, Gum Off It. The clue's in the name, but it doesn't just remove gum. It removes sticky residues, sweets, glue, nail varnish, the list goes on. Sometimes it'll separate slightly, so give it a good shake so you've got it in a nice gel. The other thing this is really good for, and I'd love to explain why, but I can't, is this will take red wine off of a wool carpet. You can also dilute this product, around about 10% dilution, and use it as a degreaser. You know when you come across those kind of hair oil residues on upholstered suites, and they can be a little bit awkward. Mix some of this up with nice hot water, as I say, 10% dilution, spray on alongside whichever product you're cleaning with, work in gently with either a Tampico brush or a hand mitt, and then rinse out as normal. Great all-round product, really handy to have on the van.